Is it hard to be fresh if you don't have money, or can you still pull it off?
See, when I ain't had no money, I still had sauce. See, if you don't got no sauce, then you're lost. But you can also get lost in the sauce.
Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back for another video. Today we are finally working on this cool old EG hatch. This thing is a legit show car. You can see the engine bay ain't got no wires in it besides these wires right here. They're gonna be nice and tucked. So we're gonna go ahead and put this RYWIRE kit on. A bunch of other stuff that we've done, like we put the suspension in, we put the axles in. I just didn't record that because the customer, he basically installed all the major stuff, everything that I would have recorded. He basically went ahead and did, but this thing is legit. It's got a half a cage in it as well. It's this cool Crown Royal purple. He's got the Crown Royal color, I guess like the theme colors is what I was trying to say, if I can speak today. He's got a half a cage in it. Super, super dope. It's got standalone fan switch and fuel pump. Got our gauges, and everything is ran underneath here. Customer made that board and everything. We just went ahead and finished up the loose ends, like there's a few wires that needed to go to it and whatnot. Just basically just a little stuff, just the finishing touches. So today I'm gonna go ahead and put in this awesome RYWIRE harness. Never installed a RYWIRE harness before, so this will be a first. It looks like it's pretty simple, just like any other harness, just plug and play. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to it because there ain't nothing to it but to do it. So I just went ahead and took it out of the bag. I just want to look at everything and just show you guys what you're getting when you order one of these. You can see each injector is labeled 3, 4, 2, 1, or 1, 2. You can see it's just all super nice. Super cool. Super nice quality plugs too. These aren't like, these look better than the Honda plugs, honestly. Super nice quality. And you got this plug over here for your distributor. Goes from here, and then you lead this right back into the car. So you really are not going to see very many wires at all. It's going to be super easy to just blend in. So I'm just going to go ahead and get to it. I'm going to go ahead and run it into the firewall, get that situated, see where I'm going to go through. I guess I'm going to go through the same spot where it was before, and then just start routing stuff, start plugging stuff in and get it on. Yo, can y'all even tell that there's a harness in here? Well, I can't. Besides this wire right here, you really cannot see much. What's also really cool is like the top of these are purple. Same purple as the car. It just looks hella dope, dude. I'm so glad the customer bought this. I would totally get, when you see a little RYWIRE thing down there, I would totally 100% buy this harness. It was super easy, super straightforward. There's a couple wires I'm gonna have to switch out, but that's just because of me. Or not for me, just because the car, how everything is run underneath the dash. But I really just have to go ahead and hook it up on the back and then see if we got spark. That's what I'm gonna go ahead and do now. All right, this car is about ready to start. I have somebody that's gonna be here in about 5 minutes to get their car tuned, so I gotta go ahead and handle that real fast. If I have time, I'll get back on this today. If not, I'll come back tomorrow and finish it up. So it is day number 2. I didn't record it, but I went ahead and pulled the dashboard out of the car. Spoke with the customer yesterday, and there's a few different things we want to do. I don't want to give out too many secrets, but I went ahead and pulled out the dashboard. That way we could get that started. So dashboard is all nice and out. Went ahead and got her started. So I got everything plugged in that we need to have her run, and it looks super clean. I don't like these wires here for the distributor, so we're gonna try to like tuck these back so you don't see them. Put like a plate or something here so it looks all nice and pretty. But this harness is sick. This engine bay looks super nice. There's like so many very minimal wires. We'll probably end up like running this somewhere nice and tucking it back so you can't see it too much, or just like run it nice and flush. But she's almost there. She's very close. Also, we want to go ahead and like weld these up. He's gonna get a 90. We're gonna weld these, get all these couplers out of the way so it looks just nice and super clean. But this car came out dope. Again, I'm kind of sorry that I didn't record it. It was just like odd and end things, so I didn't know what to make a video on. So I figured this, putting the harness in, we could definitely make a video out of it, and we did. So next, we're gonna do all this secret stuff behind the dash. Then after that, probably take a little break on it, and then it's gonna come back. The car's gonna come back. We're gonna go ahead and get her on the dyno and see how much power she's gonna make. He's not trying to make super big power with this thing. It's really a short car, so we just want to make it nice and pristine, and obviously want some power. We'll probably put it somewhere around 300 with that size turbo and so forth. But yeah, let me go ahead and start it up for you guys. As you can tell, she sounds good. This engine sat for 9 years before I started it for the first time, so it's pretty sick. Well, that's pretty much it for the EG for now. I'll show you guys some other projects we have going on. I got a car on the dyno now that I'm gonna tune. It's a RSX. This has a eBay turbo kit on it. It's got the JDM K20A engine in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get her on. It's just got a wastegate spring, so it doesn't have boost per gear or a boost controller. So whatever the gate makes, it will make. This car up here, you can see we got a nice Integra 4-door. Pretty sick. It's got a K-swap in it too, K24A. My staircase is finally in. I don't know if you guys saw on Instagram. We got it all nice and installed. I'll show you guys what we got going on. So as you know, I've accumulated quite a bit of Honda parts from Colorado to here. And I've bought a couple cars and just stripped them down. And now I got a plethora of parts. So if you guys are local, or if it's a small part and you need it, hit me up. I probably have it. We got axles for days. Got a few good turbos. These are good working eBay turbos. We got some headlights for EKs. It's got a bunch of stuff. Got two D-series transmissions. I got a B-series case, two B-series cases, hydro, one cable case. Got alternators, cranks, intake manifolds. Well, let me know if you need a part. Hit me up. I also give a 10-day warranty on all of this stuff, so that way if it don't work or something, you can just take it back and get your money back. But yeah, I just want to let you guys know what I'm working on. I know I have not been recorded. I know I make this excuse all the time. The shop has been really busy lately, so we've been knocking a bunch of stuff out. Here, you get a better look at this K24 up here. Sick. Well, alrighty guys, as always, please go ahead and like and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. Peace.
Is it hard to be fresh if you don't have money, or can you still pull it off?
See, when I ain't had no money, I still had sauce. See, if you don't got no sauce, then you lost. But you can also get lost in the sauce.